Yo, good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy hum day and happy trading day. Let's get to this money. We got CPI data. We're stuck in a range. So let's get to work right here. What's up, gamer? Good morning, bro. Thanks for tuning in. So let me turn on the predictive levels again. So we got pre-market high up here. That's going to be considered a level. We're just going to be trading YM today. I don't want to focus on any other ticker. I think I pretty much narrowed it down to one ticker, and it's YM because I'm very comfortable with how it moves. So probably it's going to be YM, or my secondary, which is my worst, would be MES if I can't find nothing on YM. So right now we are stuck in a range. We do have a little bit of resistance here at pre-market high. We do have an area right up here. This whole area is a whole entire support range that I drew out. I posted it on the chart analysis channel on the Discord. But let me expand on it here on the 30-minute. So right here, price action came and tested it. And also right here on this day back on July 24th, we had price reacting right here on this range on that support. Supported, broke through, and we're not finally, because we're not there yet. We're about to come back to that range again. So let's come back here and watch price action and see what it does. So price is pretty bullish right now. Everything's looking pretty good, so I can take an entry. We're gonna go ahead and go on with the momentum. So we're in 2 contracts deep. This is 1-to-1 right here, but I kind of want to have my risk at 39,887. So I want to have my risk right around here, somewhere like that, I believe. Let me see if I have my risk appropriately. Let me put it right there. So shoot or shoot. Right now, it's 10 minutes in. What's up, Cody? Good morning. We're 10 minutes in the market open. I don't know. I don't think we have any more news, right? Economic calendar. So today's the 14th. No, we have no news. So, okay. I have my stop right here, and this is a 1.5. Let's see how much we can squeeze out of this. So technically, I entered in price strength momentum. Um, I don't want to make the same mistake as yesterday. Being hesitant. Today, I'm not hesitant. I'll explain on why I lost the last trade yesterday, but for now, we're going to focus on this one. So I guess we are chopping on this range right here. We're chopping on this range. Let's see if we can break it. It's going to be a two trade max type of day. Well, every day is going to be a two trade max type of day. But we're going to heavily emphasize on, you know, being one and done. So if it happens to, reverse on us and stop us out, it's totally fine. We have another shot to shoot, but this time we're going to make sure that it counts. Not to necessarily say that this shot that I took doesn't count, because it did. We do have price strength. We have price above XL. We have price green on the ribbon. We have RSI strength, and we have MACD strength. If it just so happens to stop us out and chop us out, so be it. Uncontrollable. Forget about it. Keep moving on. It doesn't matter. So we at 8:30, there was data. I did drew a support level here, and it looks like price action respected that and came right back up. So let's see what she does. We got price still popping. Okay, we're up a bit. Not too bad. Let's see how this candle develops. I think the Nasdaq is selling off, by the way. It has nothing to do with MYM though, because we're trading a different index. I still have confidence in the play. We have green indicators, green super trend, but that can all change. Come right here to the 3 minute and see how it looks. Flatlining a little bit, but that's okay. It's all right. Market still hasn't picked a direction yet. I don't know if do any of you guys know if core CPI was positive or not? Pretty sure it is, because we're not dying off, so I guess that's a good sign, right? I guess that's a good sign, right? So we got price popping. We are testing pre-market high. At this point, we're gonna move up our risk just a bit. So we have pre-market high right here. Tested it right here, and now We're testing pre-market high again. We're breaking past it. Let's see if we have enough momentum to break it. Then we have the next level up over here. So we still have price bullishness. We have our TP right there. As price progresses and as time progresses, we move up the stop. That's how I trail my trades, by time and by progress. If it hasn't progressed, I move up my stop just a little bit, mitigating that risk because, at the end of the day, I trade momentum scalping. That's what I do. I trade momentum scalping. So we have the ribbon, nice, fat, and thick. Nice, fat, and thick. So we're going to move up our risk right here. Let me see. We're probably going to move it to... We're going to move it right there. Just right underneath that ribbon. We're cutting risk, cutting risk, cutting risk, cutting risk. We broke past that. We broke pre-market high. So usually how price action reacts, we have a big candle break above a level. Then we're watching to see if that next candle holds. And it looks like it did a break. Candle wick, retest that level, and we're trying to see if we can keep on progressing, breaking through with that momentum. So even if, price dies back down and rejects and stops me out, that's okay because I know I did my job. You cannot control what the market, that gigantic fucking candle. You cannot control what the market does. Let me emphasize that again. You cannot control what the market does. You have to be okay with the inevitable. Right here, I had a beautiful trade setup. A beautiful trade setup. And it just so happens to stop me out with a fat knife candle. I am going to call this trade a winner. This trade right here is a winner because I did the best I possibly can. Price progressed. I'm not going to be at a point where I'm like, oh my God, I should have took the money. No, bro. You can't dictate what the market does at all. If you are in a trade like this with having multiple confluences together and you're up and the fat knife just comes down and says, fuck you, that's uncontrollable. So I'm going to call this definitely a winner. Definitely a winner. So we have one more trade left. One more trade left because we're disciplined. Okay. So let's see if price can keep on. This could just be a fucking huge fake out. This could just be a fucking huge fake out. You have the 3-minute 200 right there. Let's see if price can hold off of that. So we're still watching. All right. Oh shit, we're popping back. Okay. Looks like it was just a fake out. So I'm gonna jump back in. Okay. All right. So we're gonna have our stop there. So we still have price momentum up. This shit could have just been a shakeout to fuck us up. Could have been a fake out just to fuck us up. All right, so this is gonna be my last trade. Let's see what we got. Let's go back on the 5 minute. So we have a big ass candle wick buying pressure. Got rejected off of XL. We have indications that are still green, so I'm gonna hop back on this play, and we'll see what we got. I gave it enough breathing room. I have 80 ticks, which is a lot of breathing room. It looks like the market volatility is pretty fucking massive, especially on CPI day, and you have to be very careful on CPI data. So I have my stop loss right there at the bottom of that wick right there. So this is a 1.18. Pretty fucking fat range. Pretty fucking fat range. So, right, we have price action battling at pre-market high. Doesn't necessarily mean anything, but it's just something to take note of. Okay, it looks like we're back in business a bit. I'm gonna start cutting risk. I'm gonna start cutting risk. Okay, this is a 1.68. So I'm trying to target up here at this previous resistance area that I marked from back in July 24th. Let's see if we can make it there. Not too bad. So I'm break even. When I get to like $38, I'm at break even. So we're cutting risk even more. So we have our risk at 39,901. Let's continue to move that risk up. Keep on cutting that risk as price action develops. If I get knifed again, I can't control that. I cannot control that at all. Okay, we still got price strength. I'm at break even right now, but I'm going with the trend. Yesterday I was going counter trend. So I don't mind trying to hold a bit. So I'm gonna move up my risk a bit more. I'm cutting risk. Keep on cutting risk. Every dollar that I cut risk is money that I save. Let's take a look at that 3 minute. Still very bullish. We're good, we're good, we're good. That 5 minute moving average on the RSI above 50. We're still A-okay. Anybody in a trade right now? You're probably in MES, right? Let's take a look at MES. Damn, that shit's doing the opposite. I thought it was popping off. Why is it dying? Damn, why is it dying, dude? That's crazy. Bro, that's insane. Is the Dow Jones the only thing popping off? Huh. Well, that's not promising. Why is the Dow Jones the only thing popping off? Why is the Dow Jones the only thing popping off? That's pretty crazy. So, yeah, that's why I moved my risk. Fucking, we got the Russell, we got M&Q, and we got MES just dying off. Shit, that does not give me good confidence, bro. Oh my god. So again, we got price coming down, and we were in a strong bullish momentum trend. But at a flip of a dime, it can change on you and fuck you up. But having the other indexes selling off, that does not give me any confirmation at all. You got the M&Q drop? Nice, bro. Nice. I'm trying to catch this MYM pop right here. But obviously it's uncontrollable. We're gonna keep on holding though. So I'm gonna cut my risk even more. Put my risk right there. If I get stopped out, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. I'm not gonna fucking bitch and moan and complain like, oh my god, why didn't I just take the money? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna allow my plays to develop. Look at that, bro. Two massive candles stomping me out. That's pretty fucking crazy. That's pretty fucking crazy. So, we're down for the day. Could have been at break even, but I cannot control the market. I did very good trades, two very good trades, but I got two fuck you candles. Two fuck you candles. Can't control that. Can't control that. So yeah, those are my two trades. Those are my two trades. If you guys haven't joined the community, um, I'm building my own community from scratch with a lot of familiar faces. So go ahead and join up. We teach a lot of shit there. We're trying to teach a lot of shit there. So, yep, it is what it is. We got price coming on down. By the way, you guys, does anybody trade through Apex Prop Firm? Does anybody trade through Apex Prop Firm? Yeah, the reason I asked if anybody trades through Apex, because I think I got scammed, and I think a lot of people are getting scammed through Apex. That's the reason I ask, so I can warn you guys. Yeah, so um, I applied for a payout through Apex. Trades queue bouncing up. Yeah, I applied a payout through Apex, and it still hasn't gotten approved. I applied on the first, and today's the last day in order to get approved. So I'm probably, if I don't see nothing at 11:59 p.m. and my payout still says pending, I'm pretty sure I got scammed. I'm pretty sure I got scammed, and I'm not gonna lie, pretty salty about that. I'm pretty salty about that. Yeah, it looks like price is holding on XL. All right, so we're gonna call it for the day. We're gonna call it for the day. I want to keep my discipline, taking two trades. I don't want to trade anymore. I am gonna say that I won the day because I had two profitable trades and I got two fuck you candles back to back. Can't control that. So, in my opinion, I won the day. I did beautiful trading. It's just a very, very volatile market day because of core CPI data. So, volatility and the ATR, fucking massive. Fucking massive. All right, anyways, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Think I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. So, peace out, guys. Happy trading. Don't overtrade. Don't get in your head.